Smile.
We're going this way or this way? I think it's this way.
So just down the middle.